Let's talk about fabric grain. When identifying the parts of your fabric, you first need to identify your selvage. Here's your selvage. This is the part of the fabric that runs through the loom at the mill. Your grain line will always run parallel to the selvage line. All the little fibers and threads are running along that edge. Your cross grain, or weft, is going to run perpendicular to the grain line. So perpendicular to the threads running here. The bias is going to run at a 45-degree angle from your selvage and your cross grain. And when working with a pattern, it will always have something noted with arrows or a line identifying the grain line. So we want this line to run parallel to our grain line. This line runs parallel to the grain line of our fabric.